Hey, how is everyone? Hope everyone is fine. And today's our topic for the YouTube video is how to make a professional Facebook business page logo. Okay, logo we will say it like a profile picture, profile DP, and so on. But we will continue our topic as a business. Okay, we make we create a Facebook page. We do settings into the Facebook page, general settings, professional settings, change username, and so on. Now, this is a topic how to add profile picture, business logo, how to make a business logo for the Facebook page as a professional way. For this, you can see I already open a Canva website, and Canva is a very professional website for the graphic designing. And in this video, we are also I am also use Canva for making Facebook page logo. Okay, for without wasting any time, let's start the video. In the start, you came into the website canva.com. Okay, canva.com is the website for graphic designing. um, I have a premium account means there are so many professionals, beautiful things are unlocked for me. If you are using free, then there is no issue. There are so many content also available in the free Canva account. Okay, let's start the video. We make a logo, then we just uh, type here logo. Okay, logo. There are they give us suggestions like clothing logo, gaming logo, technology logo. That mean they are the logo. They are in the logo tab, but when you click on the clothing logo, then they give you templates in the home in the home section. They give you a template of the clothing logo. Okay, but we don't enter here category. We just go in the logo section, logo project as a new project. Okay, then we onward, later we select the category. Okay, let's select the logo. This is the logo, 500 to 500 pixel. They give you here some suggestions, some templates. You check this. This is the premium content. If you're user free, then these logos are not available for you. This is they give you some suggestion to use the logo, but in the start I tell you that we go for the blank. Just click on the blank. Just click on the blank, and then the window, a new window open into your browser. And I really sorry because my net is slow at this time, and I look into this to resolve the issue. And you see that the tab is open, new blank page. This is the blank page, and in this video, okay, in this video uh, we will use templates. In this template you get so many templates. If you use a paid account, then you get tons of templates here, and you just select your category here and you get the result here. Okay, if you want to add your own pick into the logos and any other things, then you can add from here. And there are many more tools available here. You can also check from here. Okay, for now, without wasting time, just we search here category. My category is social media agency. Okay, and just I write here social service. Okay, social services. My social services, then I get a lot of templates from here. Let's show you how many templates they give as a paid membership. Okay, you check. There are so many templates are available in the that they not end. Okay, if you're using free, then they give you a limit templates that end in the after 10 or 20 logos. Okay, We will select simple one logo. Our page name is digital gateway. Then we will select here that match our page name. Social services digital gateway. Digital gateway. Mm, social media agency. Social media agency. Now we get some good result from here. And if you click one on the one, then they give us some more suggestion like the logo that I selected digital gateway. Digital for the digital gateway, I will use this. You can check how much beautiful is this, and they tell here that we are providing social services. Okay, yeah, this is the logo you can use, and in here I select here digital digital gateway. Okay, you can just simply choose some templates from here and just add your page name and their slogan. Okay, digital gateway social services. Yeah, or I write here SMMA means social media marketing or marketing and advertising. Okay, this is also known in the simple way. And if you like these colors, then this is amazing. If you want to change the whole color like background and as a in the combination form, then you can go here in the style tab and clear this. That you search here social media, clear this, and you get a result from here. Then just uh, down the scroll down, and you can it's a combination, but this is also a combination of the text. I just want to change the colors. Okay, just go down, scroll down, and you get the color place. Click on the color place, see all. You get color place. I mostly like this color plate. This is the show bright and most beautiful. Let's check this color match, and this color match my mind that I think in my mind. Let's click on this to check the add color in the combination, like the combination. This color is amazing, amazing. I will copy this and will type more and check more color match or not. Up color is so much amazing. So I will use above color, and this make a unique logo for you. I just download. How to download? Just click on the share, download PNG, and just simple download it. The logo got downloaded, and let's show you how it's looking. Check how much beautiful logo Canva made for us. We don't do anything. Just select the templates, and in the freelancers Fiverr, and some mostly people make this kind of logo for you in $100 and many more dollars. You just simply select the templates and you got a logo in free. Okay, you can also create logos like this, and hope you enjoy my videos, and just like, subscribe, and comment on my video. This will take only 10 to 20 seconds. Hope you done this, and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Hey, how is everyone? Hope everyone is fine. And today's our topic for the YouTube video is how to make a professional Facebook business page logo. Okay, logo it. we will set like a profile picture, profile DP, and so on. But we will continue our topic as a business. Okay, we make we create a Facebook page. We do settings into the Facebook page, channel settings, profession settings, change username, and so on. Now this is a topic how to add profile picture, business logo, how to make a business logo for the Facebook page as a professional way. For this, you can see